This week is Children's Mental Health Week. What does that even mean? Your mental health is how you feel, your thoughts, your emotions, your bodily sensations, but it's also about your relationships with other people, your friendships, your ability to be able to concentrate when you're working, and about the way that you relate to the members of your family. When we're in good mental health, all of these things are ticking along smoothly. Your brain and your body are nicely connected and you feel good. We know that getting a good night's sleep and having a healthy diet and getting loads of exercise are all really important things to help maintain good mental health. But the thing I wanted to talk to you about today is a little bit different and may come as a bit of a surprise. I wonder how many of you have said the following phrase at some point in the last few weeks. I'm bored. I'm guessing quite a lot of you, even if you haven't said it, have probably thought it. So I want to tell you why being bored is actually really good for you. Being bored is actually super important for our brain development. Not only does it give our brains the chance to turn off and rest for a bit from all that hard work looking at screens and learning maths and English, but it also helps us to learn to be more creative and to find new things that interest us and bring us joy. So, being bored helps us to look after ourselves and helps us to find the things that make us feel good. The theme of this year's Children's Mental Health Week is express yourself. So, next time you're feeling bored, could you try something different and express yourself in a new way? Maybe you could make up a dance, or you could draw a picture, or put on a show with your brother and sister. Maybe you could create a whole outfit out of recycling, or you can make a Lego creation out of your imagination. And if it might feel too tricky to be creative, and it isn't, but I do know that some days are harder than others, then perhaps you could open that cupboard or that drawer or that box that's got all those toys and games that you haven't played with or even looked at for ages, and find something that you had forgotten that you love. But the most important instruction is that you do it by yourself. So what are you waiting for? Go forth this weekend and be big, brave, bold, boredom adventurers. I would love to hear about the things that you create and that you make and you do, and you can tell me about them if you like in the comments section below. But the most important thing is to go out there, be independent, and find the things that make you feel good, because that is a super important tool in your mental health first aid kit and a great thing to have learnt in Children's Mental Health Week.